5:30 a.m. Alarm hits, but I'm not dead tired anymore. 8 hours grinding cultivation, energy surging! Mirror check. Clearer eyes, luminous skin. Body refinement stage 1 changed everything. Boss texts, "You're late." I sprint downstairs 3 at a time. No breathlessness.
All right, beams up.
Whoa, you're lifting that solo?
Yeah, no sweat.
That thing is huge! Sirens wail. Tear opens over Chaoyang. Reality twisting, monsters coming. System warms, high risk, high reward. I turn toward the tier instead of running. Rooftop meditation near the breach. Power floods in, 300% efficiency! Breakthrough! Stage 2! Lightning step, enhanced strength, unlocked! Monster res horrors. I smile. Time for lightning palm. Lightning step, teleport, strike! 5 down. I'm dangerous now. Grind never stops.